Okay, for orbit, we have this Ferrari 330 motor. I'm 99% sure this, even though there's no label on it, this is a Ducellier. And we've gone through it. The major problem was the first time we tried it out, it made this terrible clicking noise. It turned out to be the armature was actually striking against one of the field shoes. And the field shoe was actually loose in there. We took it out, filed it off, put it back in, and now we have, go ahead. Okay, there's one direction, and what's the combination there again?
1 0 2 1.
1 0 2 and 1. Okay, and we have both directions on it. It grounds through a 15 amp circuit breaker. So, and that is not the circuit breaker that turns off the motor when it's all the way at the top or the bottom. I mean, it'd take 2 seconds at 15 amps to do that, and other things would burn. But yeah, the motor is operating totally functionally both ways. Thank you very much.